Service Master.
Welcome back with us here at Live 5 News. What a week so far it has been. Tracking our winter storm system. Once again, I know we've talked about it a lot, but 2018, that's the last time we had decent measurable snow, really breaking that stretch of no snow the other day with our snow event. And this is what is left behind. This is why we continue to stay off the roads if you can. Look at all of this glaze that is melted throughout the day. This is our camera in Somerville, and this is all over the low country. And you know what happens when you drive on this, especially above a certain speed? You spin out. So very dangerous situation. All of that refreezing tonight. Just keep that in mind. That'll happen for the next few evenings, actually. We're really not expecting this to completely go away for the next few days. Maybe by the end of the weekend, early next week, definitely because of some warmer temperatures heading our way, which we'll talk about in just a moment. But first, checking out our forecast for tonight. Not much on the map, as you can see. High pressure is in charge, keeping us dry, rain-free. Now, throughout the day, we were tracking a little bit of moisture just offshore, and actually some spots in coastal North Carolina saw more snowfall, more wintry mix from this system that was just offshore. It brought us some clouds, but we did remain dry, so no additional precipitation for us from that. But like I mentioned, some clouds sticking around. You'll notice that throughout tomorrow morning. Maybe you're heading out and about. You have to get back to work possibly. Or you're just staying home again. You have a nice snow day stretch. Things starting to clear out into the afternoon, so we will see more sunshine, at least for the second half of the day, but it will start off a little cloudy as you start your Friday. In terms of temperatures, it is cold out there, and we are under a cold weather advisory once again tonight. This is from the National Weather Service in Charleston. You can see the Tri-County area, also into Colleton and Beaufort, down to our south into Georgia. Some spots inland, a few of you could drop into the teens tonight, but you can already see that we are a great deal milder than this time last night. We're in the 20s all across the area, as you can see. So that's an improvement, actually. We were in the low 20s, even teens at this hour last night. 25 in Walter, 29 right now out in Orangeburg, 26 in Goose Creek. Just feeling cold out there. Once again, a good night to stay in. Again, you can see temperatures all across the nation. This is the Arctic chill that really has dominated the forecast. That'll continue even through tomorrow morning. But just look at all the blue, the cold temperatures. Tallahassee, 26 degrees still. Even in Orlando, they're in the low 40s. So very cold air stretching almost all across the nation. For tonight, though, the next few hours, temperatures staying pretty steady in the 20s. Like I mentioned, that's where most of you will stay for those overnight lows. Some spots briefly dropping into the teens. That's why we have that cold weather advisory. You just want to bundle up if you have to be out and about. And you can see over the weekend, we're going to stay cold at night. So what does that mean? Refreeze again. Anything that melts away and doesn't evaporate into the atmosphere, that's going to refreeze each night, really until we get above that freezing mark. And that will occur Monday morning with a low temperature of 35. So some good news. Things melting away definitely into next week as those overnight lows actually will mirror our high temperatures tomorrow. We're in the 40s tomorrow, but these will be our lows into next week. So you can probably guess just by that that this snowfall will be out of here by next week. Check it out here with our 7-day forecast. You can see our high temperatures also warming up by Tuesday. We're at 60 degrees all the way up to 66 degrees on Wednesday. A few spotty showers, though, through the middle of the week.
Several wildfires are continuing to burn across California, including